Brachiosaurus was one of the largest land animals in history. Brachiosaurus had elongated forelimbs, which were as long or longer than its hind legs. Virtually no other dinosaurs had this condition. The nasal bones and nostrils were elevated. For several decades, Brachiosaurus was the largest known dinosaur, and thus the largest known terrestrial animal, at 22.5 meters tall and weighing 50 to 60 tons. The tail was relatively short for sauropods, and the neck vertebrae were 3 times the length of trunk vertebrae. If Brachiosaurus were warm-blooded, it may have required about 200 kilograms of food per day. If it were cold-blooded, it would have required much less food per day, but would have required 100 years to reach adult size. Brachiosaurus fossils have been found in both Africa and North America, although it was apparently rarer in North America, giving it one of the greatest geographic ranges among sauropods.